Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Space channel. Today, we've got some thrilling updates for you about GameonForge, the game changer in the world of gaming and blockchain. If you're ready to dive into a new era of gaming, make sure to stick around. Let's get started. GameonForge is not just another gaming platform, it's where your gaming journey, quests, and streams transform into rewarding experiences. They're revolutionizing the gaming landscape with a dynamic platform for developers, designers, and gamers alike. Let's dive into what makes GameonForge so special. GameonForge is your premier destination for revolutionizing the gaming ecosystem. More than just a launchpad, it's a dynamic solution for Web3 products seeking consumer onboarding. With over 300 traditional game streams, GameonForge bridges the gap between Web3 games and users, creating incredible opportunities for both developers and gamers. Now, let's talk about the current market challenges in the Web3 gaming space. The main issues include token distribution to speculators, user acquisition for games, and echo-chambered media value. But don't worry, GameonForge has solutions to these challenges. They allow users to participate in launches through a social contribution model, bring exposure to millions of users through a network of traditional streamers, and incentivize gamers by rewarding gaming XP points. Plus, investors can access a decentralized OTC platform for future vested tokens through NFTs. Let's take a look at the market overview. The gaming industry is ever evolving, and GameonForge is at the forefront of this revolution. By analyzing data from gamers, streamers, and the gaming ecosystem, GameonForge identifies key opportunities for disruption and growth. Their platform is on the cutting edge, using these insights to strategically position both themselves and their community at the forefront of the gaming revolution. Through their data-driven approach, GameonForge doesn't just participate in the industry, they aim to lead it. Additionally, they provide a comprehensive market overview, tracking key metrics such as trading volume, sales count, and the performance of DeFi, games, NFTs, and social platforms from May to November 2023. GameonForge is committed to breaking down barriers in Web3 gaming. Their initiatives focus on lowering entry costs, simplifying access, and providing educational resources to make sure everyone can join the gaming revolution. With their innovative Web3-based solutions, GameonForge is creating an inclusive and immersive ecosystem. Gamers can enjoy an exclusive selection of Web3 games, engage in interactive quests, and benefit from a platform that seamlessly integrates Web3 tech. GameonForge's extensive network of over 300 streamers across YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, with a combined reach of 20 million, amplifies voices and promotes gaming culture. Their content diversity and community-building efforts strengthen the bond between gamers and creators. GameonForge isn't just a platform, it's a promise of innovation and community. Their dedication to creating a forward-thinking gaming environment is evident in every aspect, from their token launchpad to their NFT marketplace. The quest system at GameonForge revolutionizes engagement. These quests are more than just games, they're gateways to new worlds with diverse challenges and a rewarding experience. Social points within GameonForge's ecosystem reward community engagement. Earn XP points and social points to unlock exclusive rewards, access special events, and boost your profile. The GameonForge Launchpad is a hub for innovation. It's where new projects take off and gamers play a crucial role in shaping the future. GameonForge is strategically expanding, starting with the Asian market, followed by growth in Europe and further expansion plans into MENA and South America. Their 12-month global rollout strategy aims to position them as a major player worldwide, boosting their growth and market presence significantly. GameonForge provides exclusive benefits for both token and NFT holders, enhancing both their gaming and investment opportunities, participation in the Launchpad, yearly rewards, 25% royalties for NFT holders, staking rewards from incubated projects, airdrops from 99% of platform-launched projects. The GameonForge business model is all about inclusive participation, unlocking the future with dynamic synergy for token and NFT holders. Now for the most exciting part, the $GOF token. It's the lifeblood of the GameonForge ecosystem, offering value and exclusive opportunities across the platform. And yes, the official smart contract address is coming soon. Meet GameonForge's exclusive NFTs. Each egg can contain 1, 2, or 3 NFTs, ranging from common to legendary. These NFTs offer utilities like airdrops, exclusive access to giveaways, and the ability to earn through staking. Hey everyone, before you go, make sure to check out the GameonForge white paper for all the in-depth details about their platform, tokenomics, roadmap, and much more. This white paper is your gateway to fully understanding how GameonForge is revolutionizing the gaming and blockchain space. Don't miss out. Click the link below to dive deep into the future of Web3 gaming. Here's a quick look at their roadmap. Phase 1. NFT collections and website with Quest Launchpad. Phase 2. Quest Launchpad improvements and Launchpad fundraising testnet. Phase 3. Launchpad fundraising and marketplace build. Phase 4. Marketplace for gaming. Phase 5. Multi-chain wallet and a 200 million market cap. GameonForge's tokenomics is built on a strong foundation. Total supply: $100 million GOF tokens. Initial circulating supply: 4.5%. Distribution: staking/farming and rewards, 25%. Token sale, 20%. Marketing, 16%. Ecosystem, 39%. Meet the passionate team behind GameonForge, experienced leaders and visionary advisors dedicated to innovation in gaming. Now, for the highlight: the Quest 4 Tokens Airdrop Program. Participate to raise awareness about GameonForge and earn $GOF tokens. Check out the details on how it works, the rewards, and more in the description below. GameonForge is backed by Tide, BTS Ventures, Sierra Nova Capital, Angelo, and IBC Group, with partners like Gate, Bank, BNB Chain, and Bideout China. Don't miss this opportunity. Fill out the KOL's data collection form, complete the tasks, and follow GameonForge on their social platforms. All links are in the description. Be part of the revolution. Whether you're a gamer, developer, or streamer, create your unified profile, dive into Web3, and start earning rewards. Connect with the GameonForge community on Telegram, Discord, and X. All links are in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our Crypto Space channel for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.